Hey there guys, Stuart here and welcome back to Tyre Review. Today we're checking out the new BFGoodrich AT KO3. Now if you've been around Forbies with all-terrain tyres, you might be thinking, hang on, isn't the KO2 already a beast? Well, BFGoodrich thought so too, but they've gone on and made it even tougher with this brand new tyre. Let's break it down, shall we? So the KO3, this brand new tyre is like the KO2's bigger and badder brother. BFGoodrich has taken everything that made the KO2 an awesome tyre and cranked it up a notch to suit the all-terrain tyre needs. BFGoodrich tells us that this thing's been built to handle whatever you can throw at it, whether you're just cruising down the highway or battling through the mud and rocks. They say that the key feature with this tyre is its durability. The KO3 has a new tread pattern design and compound that's designed to last longer, even when faced with the constant challenge of tricky surfaces like gravel. The footprint has been optimised to distribute wear more evenly, both on and off-road, so you can really smash this thing with terrain and it's sure to hold up and last. Now here's something that's really cool. They've added these things called full-depth locking 3D Sipes. The name sounds a little like something showy technical gibberish, but it's actually quite an impressive quality. This interlocking action stabilises the tread blocks, reducing their movement and flex. So you get a tread that wears more evenly, which aids both durability and performance. And what about grip? Well, the KO3 has a serrated shoulder design with what they call mud-phobic bars. An interesting term, right? Well, let's have a closer look at them too. These bars here, they prevent mud from packing into the tread, which can significantly reduce your traction on a road. They're mud-phobic in design because they're designed to eject the mud and snow to the curb and give you the grip that you need when you're driving through muddy and wintry conditions. They've also added interlocking tread elements. Think of the tread like a puzzle. All these pieces fit together to give you better handling and grip when you're on or off the road. This tyre's actually got a severe snow rating because of its high-tech all-terrain design. This means that the tyre itself is officially certified to handle serious weather conditions in winter. If you're someone who's looking to get out and off the road or drive through proper mud and snow, this tyre, it's going to have your back. Now let's talk about toughness. It's sure got the look, but is it actually structurally tough? Well, BFGoodrich have used something that they call core guard technology, which is being developed for racing in Baja. This core guard technology is through the sidewalls. It makes them super tough, reinforced to be a tougher rubber compound with additional thickness to protect against cuts, punctures and abrasions from all sorts of rough off-road conditions. They've also added this clever deflection design which helps prevent sticks and stones from getting stuck into the tyre, causing damage. It's also got extended protection further down the sidewall itself, covering more of the areas that are prone to damage. Of course, every tyre has pros and cons. It's all about balance, and what works for one person may not be perfect for another. But if you're in the market for a tough, all-terrain, versatile tyre that can handle a wide range of conditions, the BFGoodrich AT KO3 is definitely worth a look. It's designed to handle pretty much anything you can throw at it while still giving you a decent ride on the tarmac. Well, that's it for our overview of the KO3. I'm keen to hear your thoughts on this one and exactly what you're excited about with this brand new tyre. Please take the time, drop a comment below, let us know if you've got any questions. We're here to help.